What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Andre, and I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a month from home. And I'm going to share with you how to do this. The good thing is, this is all about on YouTube. Now, this doesn't require you to make any videos. It doesn't require you to be on any camera. I'm going to show you to make $1,000 from home on YouTube using the method that I'm going to share with you. So if this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre, and I've been doing this full-time for 3 years. I work consistently online full-time. My wife and I, we both work from home. So yes, you'll land on the perfect place. And if you've never become a part of the family, make sure you like this video, subscribe, share it with someone. Maybe you can help someone out there. So if you're looking for $1,000 per month, you need $1,000 extra. You're looking for some gas money, some bills money. I don't know, but this video can really help you. So make sure you watch this all the way to the end. Don't try to skip ahead, because you're gonna miss out the most important information. So as I said, I'm gonna show you how to make $1,000 from home a month on YouTube. All right, so let's dive into the video right now. Let's get it. First of all, as you can see right here, I did mention $1,000 a month from home, and this is gonna be a make money online video on YouTube. Now, we're gonna get this out of the way, and the first thing that we need is we need to have a YouTube channel. So if you don't have a YouTube channel, you can create one. And when I say create one, I didn't say, hey, go make fancy videos or make all of that. You just need to just go to the Gmail, register in Gmail, create an account, comment on a couple of videos, like some videos, and then YouTube will verify you. As I told you, I'm not going to tell you, and I'm going to tell you to make any videos and be in front of the camera, because I know some people are introverts and some people are extroverts. So this, what I'm going to share with you, can help everybody. So let's dive into the video. Now, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go over, after you create your YouTube channel, next thing we want to do is we want to go to ClickBank. And I already found the product already. You can just go to clickbank.com. It is absolutely free. Make sure you sign up. And then once you sign up, make sure you fill out your tax information, because if you make over $600, they're going to send you a 1099 every single year, and you have to file taxes. And most people, they don't tell you that, right, in most of these videos. So I'm going to let you know right now. If you're international, then you deal with your international tax ID and all that kind of stuff. For the people in the US, you deal with all that type of stuff, right? You know, you got to pay Uncle Sam every single month. But right before I go into more details of the video, if this is your first time here, comment down ClickBank in the comment section, or YouTube, or just say, hey, Andre, what's up? All right. That will let me know that this is your first time here, and show some love on this video. So we're going to find a health and wellness product, because health and wellness is a very, very hot and popular niche, because people always trying to get healthy and they want to do good. Now, when we create this, and we're going to do this on YouTube and show you how to make $1,000 online, the people that we're going to target, and you're going to see why I chose these specific products, because I already did all my research. It's already tested. It's proven. I have a few different ClickBank accounts. So yes, it has worked for me, and it can work for you too, right? So once you come through here, you can see they have a lot of different products. Now, if you look on here, you could see that this gravity score is over 568 so far. This right now is hot. Like, it's on fire. Like, it is trending. People are buying this. And if you don't believe that it's trending, if you just click on it, right? Just click on it right now. And if I copy this and I go over to a website that is called SimilarWeb, and these are what the pros don't tell you, right? You can use this website and you can see how many people are actually visiting this website. So let me try this and see how many people. Bada bing, bada boom. There we go. We got some research here. There's over 841,000 people that is visiting that particular website. So if you look on here, it started, there's a trend, there's a little dip in November, back again. So there's an upward trend. So that is good. So if you look here, there's over 55% of people in the US, over 19% over average, is visiting this website and they're buying it. In Canada, it's 5.37%. So it's over 28%. Australia, So these are the top countries that this product is selling. I hope you guys are with me so far. So this is what you do. You track and you see exactly how it's done. Now, if you look on here, right, you can see display. People are killing this on display. And what display is, if you go on some blogs and you see some display native ads, that's what it's all about. Search, people are using it in the search engine, but it's 0.70%, not a lot. Direct and referral and in social. What do you mean by it, right? These are some of the top websites that it's coming from. So if you know what Ad Spy is, people use Ad Spy and they run traffic on here and they use this to then get sales inside of their business. If you look on here, you see Facebook. Facebook is huge. One of their traffic source, over 43% of people that they advertise on Facebook. If you look through here on search, there's 0.7%. So I'm giving you real stats and showing you that this is what the pros are doing and this is what I'm doing. So I decided I want to share it with you so you could see how it's actually worked, because I want to help as many people for this year in 2020 and above and beyond to financial freedom. If I can help one person per video, I'll be very happy. Because I know some of you will watch this video and you'll watch it and you're going to go back and do the same thing that led you here in the first place. So start taking some action. At the end of this video, make sure you apply what I'm teaching you. So here, this is showing you search traffic. So people going on Google, people going on Bing, people going on Yahoo, Microsoft, that's what they're searching for. They're typing the word liptotax, right? Over 597%. This is organic. But if you look at right here, I don't even know what this website is. It's in some foreign lingo, but it's over 22%. Now, if you look on social, right, there's over 57% of people on YouTube. So that's why I told you I'm going to show you how to crush it on YouTube and make $1,000 a month with this particular offer. So if you follow the method, you can do this too, right? Display, and as I said, this is the display traffic. This is where people are doing like PopCat, Pop Cash. There's Nutra, Nutra Research. There's Stay Healthy. So these are some of the websites that the traffic is coming from. So you see that this product is hot. It's selling. There's a lot of people going there. So once you put it out there, they have a good page. So make sure you go here and you do your research every time you want to do some promotion. Now we find the product. Now the next thing we want to do is you can go over to YouTube and you can type in liptotax. Now when you type in liptotax, you will see a bunch of different keywords. And if you want, right, you can use a video that is up there. You can edit it. You can splice it up as long as it's not the same length. You can change the thumbnail and all that and do all that. There is more to this video, but make sure you stay tuned. Don't try to skip. And if you haven't liked my video so far, and if you haven't commented so far, if you haven't subscribed so far, like, what are you waiting for? This is valuable information. So edit the video. And some people reuse videos, not a problem. Some people get other people to do reviews. And that's what I wanted to share with you, right? You can get people to do reviews for your video. Now, if you head on over to Fiverr, if you go to fiverr.com and you type in product review, if you want to spend a little bit of money, you can get people and celebrities, right? Starting at $10, you can get someone to review that product. And this is what these guys, they get paid for. They get paid to do research, and they will give you a review and a quick video about that particular product. Now, if you want to spend a little bit of money here and you want to get it professionally done, which is the right way, if you want to crush it, after you create that video, then you're going to upload it onto your YouTube channel. Now, once you upload it onto your YouTube channel, you just come on here, you upload it, or if you want to use this free tool that is called wave.video, and you can sign up for free and you can make your own video. Once again, you can come on here and you can see the templates and you can make your own video. Like if you look at this, you can make one of these videos that play with words in it. So if you want to put together a 3-4 minute video, go for it. Now you could come on here and this is for free. You could sign up for free. And then once you sign up for it, If you want to get some premium and you want to get longer videos, then sure, you're going to have to pay for it. So if you want to make your own video like this one, there's a nice smoothie. You can get different pictures. You could put it on there and you can make a video about 3 minutes with some information that you receive from the actual website. So you can go to the affiliate page and they will give you tools and resources that you can use. So you can put your first name, put your last name. They will send you information about this, and then you can put together your own video. You just got to get creative. Once you create that video, you get someone to do it for you. As I said, upload it here, and I'm going to share with you how you're going to make $1,000 a month from home using YouTube. Now, once you upload the video, let's say you upload the video here and you put it, the next thing you want to do, you want to click on where it says promote. Now, you're going to promote this video on YouTube and spending $5 a day. You don't need to spend more money. If you want to do it for free, it will take you a little bit of time. But if you want to spend a little bit of money, you can make 1,000, reinvest your investment costs, put back the money, and then eventually everything else will be profit. So if you upload the video and you click on where it says promote, once you click on promote, it will take you to, you'll create a video with Google Ads. So you have to sign up for Google and you click on here where it says get started. Once you get started, all you have to do is just go through the information step by step, and all you have to do is just put the $5 a day and you can do in-stream ads. Now the ads are gonna run, you know, when you watch videos on YouTube and you see the ad just pop up, that's how the ads are gonna be running. So you could do the in-stream ad, you could do search ads, and you can retarget everyone that watch each one of these videos. That's how powerful it is. You could click on where it says, all right, here's what we're gonna do. We're going to use XYZ and I'm gonna target anybody who type in the keyword LiptoTalks review. Like this person right here, this is what she does for a living. She just do reviews on multiple different products because anything health related, I always see here, right? So that's what she does. So all you have to do is just come on here. Once you upload your video, you can then start to promote it right in front here and just promote it where it's an in-stream ad, and then you want to promote it to people anywhere from the age of 45 and up. You don't want to target anybody below 45 because if you read about LiptoTalks, it works best for 45 years old and older. And it's, you can go with women because women is a good target audience. And then afterwards, then you can retarget men and you make money and you do it over and over again, right? So that's how you can make $1,000 a month just by using YouTube and make money online. So I hope this video helps. I didn't want to make it too long, but I just want to get straight to the point and show you exactly how to do it. As soon as this video is over, I want you to just take massive action right away. Just get it done and get started as soon as you finish this video. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. Let me know in the comments what you think. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you on the next video. My name is Andre. Peace.